welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be doing a spring inspired makeup look, and I was thinking about doing something with the color lilac, and then I looked at this palette from Too Faced, which is called the Too Femme palette, and it's so pretty. It has all these little butterflies on the front, and then when you open it, there is this beautiful minty turquoise shade like right here, right next to the lilac color, and so I was just drawn to it immediately. Plus it matches my nails too. So anyways, let's get started. So first I'm gonna be using this Dior lip glow to moisturize my lips, and this is in the shade 038. And it is called Rose Nude, and it looks like this. I liked it at first, but I feel like it doesn't really deliver a lot of color, but I'm just trying to finish it off in the meantime, so I'm using it for work also. And to moisturize my face, I'm going to be using this Kiehl's Ultra Facial Cream that I love. And on top of that, I'm going to be using this Milk Hydro Grip Primer. And just to try something new, I'm going to be using this Makeup Forever HD Skin Concealer, and I'm going to apply it before my foundation. And this is in the shade 2.1Y. So I don't know if that was my shade or not. I kind of feel like it made me look a little darker. I don't know. But anyways, I'm going to continue on with this Gucci Eternité de Beauté 24-hour wear breathable foundation. And it came in this little box as a little sample. And I thought it was like the cutest thing ever. And it looks like this. I tried it out the other day and I really thought it looked like a good match. I just remembered I really loved how it made my skin look, and not only that, like it smells like so good. It smells like kind of perfumey, but like not overpowering in like a nasty way. And this is in the shade 220W. I don't know if it's looking a little too white on me or if it's actually gonna look better on later, but I feel like I can make it work with contour later on. So I kind of didn't really like that Makeup Forever concealer from earlier, so I'm just gonna go over that concealer with this KKW in number 5. I just feel like that other one was a little bit too dark, so I feel like it didn't really do much. And for contour, I'm going to be using this bronzer stick by Rare Beauty in the shade Soul. And then I'm going to be using this cream blush by Glam, and this is in the shade Rose Quartz. And I really like the shape of this. It comes with like a little sponge, and I'm kind of afraid to use this because it looks very pigmented, but I'm gonna try and use like a light hand. Oh my god, what the hell? So for the first time that I used this right now, it was pretty okay. I mean, I feel like it wasn't that like dark, so that's good if you're a beginner like me with like cream blushes. The only thing that did scare me though is that when I first applied like the 2 dots on this side, as soon as I blended it, it looked like it peeled off like the foundation. Like there was like this like empty space of foundation like on those 2 dots, but right now that I blended it better, or even more I should say, it looks like okay now. And then now I'm just gonna set my face using this Huda Beauty Cherry Blossom Cake, and it's the pink one. This has been my favorite. I've been trying not to use it for work or like other things besides like videos, but it's been pretty hard because it just smells so good, and it's pink too, so it's so cute. And then for eyeshadow base, I'm gonna be using this Kristen Dominique one, and this is a 24-hour wear. And for the eyeshadow palette today, I'm going to be using this very cute one by Too Faced. It's called the Too Femme palette. I love all these spring looking colors that they have in here. So first, I think I'm just going to set my eyes, or actually I'm just going to go in with this turquoise color with this fluffy brush, and I'm going to apply it to my crease. And then now I'm grabbing the flat brush and I'm gonna grab this lilac color right here, and I'm just gonna put that all over my lids. And then I'm gonna go into this Carly Bible palette, and not gonna lie, I'm kind of bummed how there's just one little purple eyeshadow in the sea of like brown shadows in there. Like I would have at least wanted like, I don't know, maybe like a blue, like a powdery blue like from the packaging. I'm just gonna grab this purple color with my finger, and I'm just gonna apply it like all over my lid where I applied the lilac color. And looking at the Too Faced palette, I think I kind of want to add this pink shade right in between where I have the purple and the turquoise. So I'm just gonna try and like sneak that in there. And as a final touch on the lids, I'm going to be using this shade right here with my finger, and I'm just going to apply it on the lids. And I'm going to grab more of that Carly Bible one and put it on top as well. And I'm going to grab that same lilac color with a small brush, and I'm just going to dab that on my lower lash line. Now I'm gonna brush off that translucent powder, and I'm gonna be using my MAC Studio Fix in the C3 shade. And for bronzer, I'm gonna be using this butter bronzer from Physicians Formula. And for blush, I'm gonna be using this Too Faced Heart, and this is in the shade Love Hangover, and it looks like this. And next I'm going to be doing my brows with this NYX Black Brow Mascara. And next for eyeliner, I'm going to be using this very pretty one by Carly Bible, and it is a felt tip, and I'm mapping out my cat eyes while smiling at the same time, because I don't know if you guys have that problem where you smile and then all of a sudden your cat eyes are nowhere to be seen. So I'm just going to do the same thing on the other side. And then my contacts are like so foggy right now. I think some of that eyeshadow fallout got in them. So I think they're kind of even. It's been a while since I've done cat eyes, but I feel like this one's more like asleep and then this one's more like awake, but it's fine. And then for lashes today, I'm going to be using the Ardell Demi Wispies. I took a little break right now to brush out my hair, and oh my gosh, I love how I looked. I just saw I Married a Witch with Veronica Lake and some other dude in there, and I loved how her hair looked. I did some inward curls just how I did with the Poison Ivy look, and I loved how it turned out. I had to redo some on this side because everything turned out perfect on this side, and on this side everything looks freaking weird. So I had to recurl some of them right now. But now that the hair is all done, I'm just gonna curl the lashes with my fake ones. And before I do continue with mascara, I'm just gonna use some of this Too Faced Killer Liner, and I'm only gonna be using it to tight line or to apply it to my top waterline only. Otherwise, if I put it on my lower lash line, it's gonna look too harsh, but I just want to give that illusion of a fuller lash line. Honestly, I was gonna try out this Gwen Stefani one, but this one is really calling my name just because of the color, and it is a total temptation. This is the Maybelline waterproof version of the pink one, and I've tried the pink mascara and oh my god, I love that one. And this is my first time trying the waterproof version, and I'm so excited. Maybe I'll apply the Gwen Stefani one on the lower lash line. Okay, now for lips. I had a really tough time deciding what lip color I wanted to do. At first I wanted to do like a bright coral one. Again, just because I saw Veronica Lake in the movie last night. But I don't know, I feel like it'll look too harsh with this look. Like maybe it'll almost make it look like clown makeup. So I'm gonna go ahead with this Sephora gel lip liner. And this is in the shade Cashmere Pink. And it looks like this. And for lipstick, I think I'm going to be using this Revlon one, and this is in the shade 415, or also called Pink in the Afternoon. And this is actually a lipstick which many people believe is closest to the one that Audrey Hepburn used in Breakfast at Tiffany's. So I figured since I was kind of feeling in like that old school kind of spirit, might as well, right? And then now I'm just going to apply this one on top. And last but not least, I can't forget about highlighter. And again, keeping up with the old Hollywood vibes, I'm going to be using this Charlotte Tilbury Hollywood Champagne Glow highlighter. And it looks like this. Oh, dang. Here's a completed look, you guys. I really liked how it turned out. It's something that I was thinking about. I really wanted to do like something like turquoise and purple. Kind of reminds me of the lavender matcha oat milk coffee from Starbucks, and now this look is making me crave one. It matches my dress, and I really love my nails. I literally just painted them before the tutorial because I feel you guys always see some like crusty ass nails, but I'm loving the hair even more because Veronica Lake. I hope you guys enjoy this tutorial. Don't forget to please like, comment, and subscribe, and as always, I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye! Niña, ¡ey, cabrona! ¿Qué? ¿Te quieres poner la pestaña? Niña, no.